I stole this sari from my mom. I feel like no matter how old you get or how many saris you have, whenever your mom gets a new sari, I feel like I have every right to it, right? They always just look so good. And especially this one, I knew that it would go perfectly with our sapphire blouse. And I absolutely love these blouses because they're so comfortable. This sari is actually the opposite color combination of a sari that my mom has that I also stole. The body is navy blue and then the border is gold, and it's such a stunning combination. When she brought this over, I was like, absolutely, I need to drape it. It's just something about the navy blue that reminds me of like a starry night. And then the gold. It's not even really gold. It's more like a copper, like a dull gold. And it's cotton. Because of the gold thread work, it just looks so much more extravagant than your regular cotton sari. I love a sari that pleats just perfectly. You don't need to do anything to fix it. And it's so comfortable, lightweight. You don't have to deal with like the heaviness of kanchipuram, even though I love my kanchipurams. But cottons, I feel like if you can get it right, like look how gorgeous that looks. And if you choose the right cotton sari.